Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve Juggler Sequence. So in this question you are given a number n, integer n, and you have to form a series until that number n becomes 1. Until the number n becomes 1. Fine. So what we'll do is we'll start from the number n, and for each successive number, if the number is even, then we will square root it, take square root of it, and if the number n is odd, then we'll take 3 by 2 power 3 by 2 of that particular number. So example will tell you a better picture. See, the number n is 9, which is odd. So we'll take power 3 by 2 power. Then again it becomes odd. We'll take power 3 by 2. Okay. Then it's 140. Then again we'll take square root of it since it is even. Now it is odd. We'll again take power 3 by 2. Now since it is even, we'll again take power 1 by 2 with the square root. It is even. 6 is even. Then again we'll take square root of it. Then again it is even, we'll take square root of it, and it will become 1. It will become 1. Fine, it will become 1. Now since it's became 1, that is the end of our solution. And you may think that square root of 140 may not be 11, right? And square root of 2 is also not 1. But we have to take only integer part. We have to, typecast it into integer. We only need to take integer and not the float number. Cool. See, in the example 2, this will also tell you a better picture. Since n is 6, which is an even number, and for even number, we are told that we have to take square root of that particular number. Square root of 6 will become 2 almost in integer format, and square root of 2 will be 1. And the moment we get 1, we'll stop it. We'll stop it, and that will be the end of our series, right? So how will I do it? This is pretty easy question. Pretty easy question. Fine. First of all, I'll create an empty list result, and we'll append this particular number n in this list, because it does not matter what we need to do for afterwards. The series will start from the number n. Just input to us. See in example 1, input was 9 and start of series is 9. Input was 6 in example 2, start of the list of our answer is 6. Fine. So we'll append and anyways. Now, while the input number n, while n is not equal to 1, we'll keep on calculating our solution. So since there are two conditions, either the number n will be odd or even, odd or even. Okay, first condition, if the number is odd, if the number is, if the number is odd, right? If the number is odd, no, so it will typecasted into. We'll use the power function of Python. We'll take power 1.5, which is 3 by 2 is 1.5. When the number is odd, the power is 3 by 2. Find else. Else, let's say the number is even. We'll take the square root of it. 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So just two conditions. We have to take the power. If the number n is odd, take power 1.5 of that particular number. And if the number is even, take square root of it, and we'll need to typecast it into integer. We don't need float number. At the end, whatever value of n we have, we'll append that into the result list. At the end, when we have formulated entire series and we have received 1, we'll come out of the loop. Now let's submit it and check the efficacy. As you can see, it does the job pretty easily, pretty effortlessly, and it took very very less time. That's just 0.03 seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a new concept. Thank you. Have a very nice day.